Hi everyone, welcome to Shree channel. Today we are going to discuss hard sound and soft sound of letter G. G has two sounds. One is G and another one is J. Generally in PP2 or grade 1 we learn hard sound of letter G. Here I will give some example related to hard sound of letter G. Gas, goat, goat, gum, gate, gate. These are the hard sound of letter G. We read it as G. Next, soft sound of letter G, we read it as J. So when we read it as J, means here G letter followed by I, G letter followed by E and G letter followed by Y. Here I'll give some examples. Giant, giant, giraffe, magic. Next, G letter followed by E, we read it as J. Age, gem, gently. Next, if G letter followed by Y, gym, energy, spongy. So G letter followed by I, G letter followed by E and G letter followed by Y, we read it as soft sound of letter G, J. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest videos. Thank you.